Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Samsung. Firstly, you need to locate clock and tap on it. Then choose alarm at the bottom left corner over here and tap on this plus icon. Then set up an hour and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. After that, choose alarm name by clicking over here, typing wherever you want to, and choosing done at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a bit and click on the switches next to all of those features to enable or disable them. Then click on alarm sound, choose ringtone over here and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on ringtone though, click on this plus sign at the top right corner and pick music from your device by tapping on the chosen song and choosing done at the top right corner as well. Then go back and in order to adjust the volume of your alarm, swipe left or right over here. Then go back again and tap on vibration. Over here pick one of the vibration patterns for your alarm by clicking on the one that you want to set up and going back. Finally, you can click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, go back and type save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, just click at the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!